Good morning to all of you. Today we discuss about some additional setup in our simulator. Yesterday we focus starting of simulator, how to use this simulator, and some basic idea how to selection of the network devices and user devices. Okay. Now today we go for the configuration setup LAN network for any campus help of this simulator. In this current network, we can see and take customer edge router, provider edge router as a treat like yesterday discussed, and different types of switches and Wi-Fi devices and user element. Okay. Today we just go for connections or these devices in the local network. So directly go to practical. This is the selected devices last session. In this selection, we have a lot of uh, switches had taken different user taken like by a help of the computer, laptop, some devices connected to the this Wi-Fi. Okay. So I think here some is problem. So I just repeat these selections once and again. So it may be recall for all you, then go collections. Okay. So I just open the new packet tracer devices. This is the packet tracer. All are working the first time. So I just save as. Day one again starting. Now replace. Okay. In this case, we just select two router, both taken the 2811. Already explained why, because below rating of the 2811 router is not fit in the today communication system. So this router I just taken as a ALTTC campus customer edge router, and another router is we just taken as the ISP router. This is a basically ALTTC is the part of the BSNL. So I just here write down YSP BSNL Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad is the city name, and for the inside we have select the different switches. This switch, the first number of switch I taken, I take two different switch and some user devices like computers, like tablet, computers, tablet, and also in your network a lot of devices connected through the Wi-Fi. So now go for the another network device Wi-Fi. So in the same row, router, switch, hub, and wireless. This is the first number Wi-Fi I just selected here. And this Wi-Fi devices connected to the wireless devices like tablet, a smartphone, that devices have capacity and capability to connect the Wi-Fi. So now again for end user in this location, this is a tablet. I just put here tablet and some put a smart device. Okay. So today you can see there is a no password protection. So by default, our tablet and smart devices automatically connected. But in the real world, there some if you are connected to the Wi-Fi in your college campus, either any location, so without security mechanism not possible. So for example, in this case in simulator, how to make security, just click on this Wi-Fi, go to the config. We have a lot of option, port 0 and port 1. Port 0 by default, this is the port 0, switch to this Wi-Fi. And port 1 is the wireless. So this channel ID, if you want what this Wi-Fi in the college campus shown to the user, so give any name. This is a basically username is also known as Helica. Okay, he just give. And what password? So basically, this simulator designed by the Cisco company, and Cisco company uh, follow of Apple Mac software, and in this case, their software, their password protection will be hexadecimal concept. So that will be at least 15 digits, 10 digits. In this case, in my this selection devices already here explain it. Otherwise 25 digits is possible. This hexadecimal. I just take in hexadecimal A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5. I think 10 digits possible. So now both devices automatically disconnected from the this Wi-Fi, because now this Wi-Fi is password protected. If I want tablet connected to this Wi-Fi, how to do it possible? Just click on the tablet, go to the config and go to the wireless. And here SSID. So this SSID is Helica name, the Helica. And what is the password? I just put password ABCDE 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and just put. So after some time, password is right. This will be connected to the this Wi-Fi. Same for a smartphone. Config wireless. Helica is the SSID and password ABCDE 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now this close. So this mobile phone is also connected to the this Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is the connection, wireless connection. But the main important main role is how to connect these devices. Earlier starting second or third days, I just explained whole world connected to the optical fiber. If we go for the longest distance communication, in this regard, we use optical fiber communication network. In other line, other same time, if anybody asks in the local level, which types of media most usable? So in the local connectivity, we have most usable cable is the copper wire. And this copper wire in the current time, you can say 99% communication done by the LAN cable. What is the LAN cable? LAN cable is just a LAN cable. Okay. This is the LAN cable in the general manner. All are aware about this cable. This is the most important cable in local communication arrangement. Either you connect through Wi-Fi, either you connect to the mobile communication system via tower, doesn't matter, but their support, their valuable communication protection done by this LAN cable. So this is the look wise very simple, but it is very tough and most important. Okay. So now we are in this session today, we discuss these types of LAN cable. How many these types of LAN cable? By default, number of wire in this LAN cable is 8. In the market, when we purchase, going to purchase such types of the LAN cable. So in the market, it shown by a different name. Okay. So in the market, I just write here and LAN cable. In the market, it available as the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, and today one more cable is the Cat 8. If you go in the market, you are just telling to shopkeeper, I want to the LAN cable. The first question of shopkeeper is simply which types of LAN cable you are required. Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, either Cat 8. Cat means category. Okay. So which category you want cable? If I give all cable put in your hand, if I don't tell which type of this cable, either Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, either Cat 8. So by this cable in your hand, I given and just asking which this kindly explain this cable is Cat 5 cable, Cat 6 cable, or Cat 7 cable. So it is not easy to identify all of them. You nobody, because these all cable, either you Cat 5, either Cat 6, Cat 7, look wise all our cable are the same. They as a look wise, and in at your home they have all are the same number of wire and same mechanism. So not easy to identify if this cable is the Cat 5 cable, Cat 6, Cat 7 or Cat 8 cable, because look wise all are same cable. Very simple word. Okay. Now, so what is difference between this cable? Now discuss in this session. Uh, look wise all are cable. This is a cable. So if I ask this cable is the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, so you are not easy to told this is the Cat 5. Just this is a Cat 6 cable showing. Some cable is the Cat 5. I like to search more in the Google. Cat 5 LAN. Okay. So look wise the Cat 5 LAN cable is the very similar. Okay. And same if I like Cat 6 cable, look why the Cat 6 cable is the same cable. Okay. If you go for the Cat 7, all cable look wise the all cable is the same and they have the same number of wire. So if I these all cable put in your hand, if I ask all of you, if please identify this cable is the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, Cat 8. So very simple word. It is not easy to identify which types of this cable. Okay. But when purchasing, that time you are ensure this is the Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, either Cat 8. Because all cable have the basic material is the same. Either you can any cable purchase, basic material for the all cable is the same. This is the copper wire plus alloy. All cable are the basic wire, the basic element of all cable is the copper wire. But not pure form of the copper wire. There are some alloys because never from starting of the telecommunication system until time, never 100% pure copper wire used for the communication. Earlier, copper plus aluminum, then become copper plus lead, glass, and current time mostly copper plus cadmium. And in this cable, Cat 5, Cat 6, copper plus other allow some Cat 5 simply aluminum use. Cat 6 there is the copper plus some high rated brass cable is also used in this case. Cat 7 some silver material also in this usage. Okay. So different allowed may be used for the this cable make more efficient. Okay. But all cable look wise number of wire is the same. Main wire is the all are copper wire. Okay. So in the Cat first either Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, 8, all are the copper wire plus allow. Depend on allow, their this copper category of cable will be changed. Okay. If high quality of the material allow is used like silver, like gold, like platinum, like other high class conductor used for this communication system, so it will be changed as the high class of category of the cable. Okay. Either Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, length of the all cable is the length. Is the practical length. I not go for the box length. Is the practical length. This is the 90 meter. Keep in the mind. All cable is the 90 meter only. Okay. Distance drawback of these all cable is the 90 meter, but in the local campus, it is a compatible to local user connectivity. Very easy. And another thing, in the Cat 5, what is the difference due to the material? Cat 5, their bandwidth means speed. I just proper write here. Bandwidth. You can say speed. If use the Cat5 cable, so in this case maximum 10 Mbps speed is possible. Suppose if you take from ISP 100 Mbps internet services, but from modem to your laptop, if you connected the Cat5 cable, so by default Cat5 maximum speed possibility is the only 10 Mbps. So that time 100 Mbps speed taken by you from the ISP is totally wasted. So as per your bandwidth availability, you can use such types of LAN cable. Second is that Cat6 100 Mbps. This I write Cat6. Cat7 300. This all data I write put here. This is a critical data, not go to the book GBps. If you go Google search and like there, so technically as per ideally there is speed up to the GBps showing there, but actually I here write this is the real 100 Mbps 300 and one Cat7 is the 1 Gbps is the possible. Okay, so this is the depend on the all cable look wise the same. Their length is the 90 meter, but due to the material mechanism, the bandwidth will be slightly changed. In the Cat5, you can say poor material that only give the 10 Mbps. Cat6 in comparison to the Cat5 cable, good material, you can say it will be speed 100 Mbps. And Cat7 is the more and more good, 300 Mbps. And Cat8 is a two very high quality silver like material also used in this case, more percentage of the silver in the Cat8 cable, but the Cat8 cable is not available in India. Any location available, I surprised that. Otherwise, currently mostly internet used in India by the Cat5 and Cat6 cable. Okay, so now I more explain about this cable. These all cable have how many wire? All cable have 8 wire. So I just here 8 wire draw 1, 2. If you go for the book, you are totally confused. What is the color specification? Because as per books, as per Google search, if you are going to find out such types of cable specification, so they explain in the color manner. But I here in this time just discuss about their specification by the real practical scenario. So doesn't matter what is the wire of color of this cable, we just put remove all wire and separate the cable. There is 8 wire, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter what color of this wire, just you remove this cable and make a numbering from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so numbering this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When numbering of this cable, then a specification defined 1 and 2. This basically electronics cable, electrical cable. So always work with in pair. So one is a pair. This is the here we discuss about the specifications of the cable. If again here, because due to the break, again right here, there is total number of wire is the 8 wire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 wire. From left hand side to right hand side, numbering of these cable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And now in this case, the first pair is 1 and 2. We can make separate, and this pair is the known as the transmitter pair. And same third and sixth number. This is the third number and sixth number. This pair is the known as the receive pair. And 7 and 8. This is the known as the POE. And 4 and 5. This pair is known as the dummy pair. Okay. So now total number of wire is the 8. Doesn't matter what is the color of this wire. You just put this cable separately, each and every wire, and after separate wire, you just numbering from left hand side to the right hand side, or in this regard, we can separate what is the meaning of every pair. So there are the 4 pair, by default 8 wire. So first and second, and this is the first pair, it is known as the transmission pair, a trans pair, and third and sixth is the receive pair, 4, 5 is the dummy, and 7, 8 is the POE. So for the making the LAN cable, there is a connector required. So in this case, this is the LAN connector, this is the cable. All cables are just like this, okay? So this connector is known as the LAN connector, and you can say RJ45. RJ45 LAN. So this is a LAN connector. All connector is a LAN. This is a cramping tool. Help of the cramping tool, we just make these all of cable. Okay. So this LAN connector. So this LAN connector, when put in the cable inside, if you are working in the field, now if suppose upcoming time you become work with any big organization like BSNL, Reliance, Tata company. So there this in at your home, you go to the market and purchase. It's easy. But working in the company, definitely you are aware about help of the crimping tool and make this cable anytime. Okay. So this is the cable just put. So if I put all 8 wire in this one side same manner, 1 to 8. Right here, one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Another side, this maximum length is possible 90 meter. Definitely, if you are making any LAN cable, so always length will be limited, and below 90 degree, no problem. It may be 5 meter, it may be 10 meter, it may be 20 meter. But maximum possible length of the LAN cable is the 90 meter. So one end, if you are making help of the LAN connector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this case, and another side, just replace from one side in comparison to one side. Okay. So see, means is that 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Another side. Okay. So this cable is known as the, in this case, here this cable is known as the straight line cable. In this case, this is the straight line cable. Straight line cable. Just simply straight cable. If I this is our no, sorry. This is the basically completely interchange. This is the known as the rollover cable. Rollover, not straight cable, rollover. This is the console, and you can say BGA cable. Always one side is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another side just opposite each and everything. So this make one cable known in the market rollover console, either BGA cable. Name will be separate here given, but basic configuration is the same. What is the BGA use of the BGA cable? You are well aware where use of the cable of the BGA cable. And desktop computer, from your CPU to monitor, this cable is known in the market is the BGA cable. Don't go to the connector design. Connector design make separate, because in the market normal people easy to identify what is the BGA cable. Okay, but what is the purpose of this BGA cable is very simple. This cable is not used for the communication. This cable is used for the only display purpose. If you connect BGA cable from your CPU to monitor, so this is only display of each and everything on your computer. Okay, so this cable you can say not used for the communication. This is the only for display purpose. Same manner, all cable either roll over both end connector is RJ45. Okay. Console cable, one side connector is the like BGA cable, on another side is the RJ45. For example, if you go for Google, okay. This is the BGA cable, both inside the male and female type connector, but number of wire in this cable is same, 8 wire. And what is the one side the 1 to 8, another side the 8 to 1. And same if go for the console. So what in this case console cable, one side you can say one side the RJ45 connector. So due to the connector, this have the 3 different name. If both side RJ40 connector, this type connector, that time it's known as the that time is the rollover. Both side console one side and BGA both side the male female type connector. But any connector types, any type, all rollover console, this is not used for the communication, this is for the display purpose. Now the next is that if one side is 1 to 8 and another side is the same, if another again put same 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and both sides the same manner, so this is the known as the straight LAN cable. If trans replaced by the another side receive and receive replaced by the trans, that means 1 to here trans, one side 1 to 8, another side 3 and 6. If replace 3 and 6 and 1 3 the 1 4 5 not don't change, and this 2 and 7 and 8. So such types of cable is known as the crossover LAN cable. Okay. So now you have, there are 3 category of the cable: straight cable and crossover cable, and another is the rollover cable. Rollover cable completely different types purpose of use, only for the display, only for the configuration, you can say only for the lock-in, different man, no, doesn't matter. But for the communication, if I want sending from one data from one computer to another computer, in this case we required either straight line cable, either crossover line cable. So these 2 cable used in the communication system for the transmitting of the data from one PC to another PC, from one computer to another computer. Okay. Now question arises that where use crossover LAN cable and where use the straight over LAN cable. So answer is very simple. If both end devices are similar, then this is the crossover LAN cable. If both devices are different, then this is the straight. Different, this is straight. And now keep in the mind where this is the cable used. Okay, so now directly go to packet tracer, and question again here arise in this network. Now we have 3 types of cable. One cable is not like console rollover, either BGA cable. This is the only for the display, and another for the communication purpose. We have the 2 cables, straight cable and crossover cable. So now in this network, I want to router to router connectivity between router to router. Which types of cable required? Both devices are the similar devices. So that means crossover cable. So now come inside. This is the devices. Last electric symbol like symbol. Click on this. Basically, this is the different types of cable. So in this case, you just if you move your mouse, so definitely which types of cable by default I know, but you are the first time use. So when move your cable from left to right, so their specification will be available in this throat. So if I move console cable, then is the copper straight, and then is the crossover. So for the same devices, crossover LAN cable. Click here. Now for the communication system, for the transmitting data any location to another location, we have in this case two port for internet purpose: fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So you can put first 0 by 0. Now another side the 0 by 0. Okay. And same again take cable, straight cable, because router now one port is standing spare. Click here, and in the switch you have a lot of internet port, so you can put any location, just put 0 1. Okay, now this switch to another switch, both are the same devices. So again, which types of cable required? Similar devices, crossover. Click on this, put on this router switch 0 2, another side the you can also always keep in the mind, you can put any 0 1 0 3 0 4, no problem. But as point of engineering, both in we have the same types of port due to the easy remember, because LTTC Ghaziabad and GMTD Ghaziabad distance between the both location is the 5 kilometer. So another side, which location, which port you connected your cable, how to know if you make proper. So first 0 by 0, definitely we try to the another side 0 by 0. You if you put 0 by 1, there is no problem, no any problem. But for the proper remember, for proper functioning, so we first try 0 by 0, so we put another side 0 by 0. It is just easy to putting your maintenance. Okay. Now again cable, computer to click here, fast Ethernet, click here. Just select laptop. This is a fast Ethernet. What is the fast Ethernet fit in the computer? In the computer, laptop PC, LAN port in laptop. Okay. Are you well aware? Just I showing for you. This is the LAN port. This port is the important port for the internet. Okay. So now again here. So this is a fast Ethernet port. FA0 that same connectivity. Switch any location, you can 03 laptop. From this switch to this Wi-Fi state cable 04. So now this is the connections between whole campus. If you go for internet setup in your any campus, any building, so just which types of cable required, all are the LAN cable in the local level, and the length is the 90 meter. If your location in the college campus more than 90 meter, in this case you use the media converter, electrical cable convert in the optical fiber, and again due to the optical fiber distance will be no bar. In this case you can move any longest distance possible due to the optical fiber. Another side again use media converter and return back to the switch and local cable, same LAN cable. Okay. Now another side, just I put one PC more here. If I want to communication between this router to this computer, which types of cable required? Just tell me, give the answer. If router to computer, which types of cable required? Because both are the same devices or different devices. Router is also known as the mini supercomputer. Yeah. So in this case, this very important question for all of you. This is the both sides same devices. So same devices mean the same types of. This is a crossover LAN cable. Just select here and crossover LAN cable for communication purpose. Okay. So this is the connection, and how to make this connection? Help of the LAN cable in your college campus, any location in the your, and here today is the very another concept is also going from the this switch. You just with the big hotspot tower. So just like Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi is the local, very simple in the your room. hostel rooms and nearby your office building. But if in the campus you want to go more increase the more area cover up by the through Wi-Fi connected, so this is a this switch directly connect by the LAN cable to the tower, and each and every device connect is the tower. So same concept used by the Geo, Reliance Geo. So now this is the connection. And another thing, what is the meaning of the LAN? Already explained the last session, last 2 days before session. What is the meaning of the LAN? Meaning of the LAN is a very simple. Router one port is known as the LAN. So if I ask all of you how many LAN connection in this network, so you can say how many LAN connection. So this is the one LAN, LAN 1, and this is another LAN, LAN 2, and this is another LAN. This is a LAN because they all are directly connected there. So in this network, we have the 3 different types of network. In the, you can say this is the network 1, this is the network 2, and this is the network number 3. Okay. So tomorrow I just go for in this session allotment of IP address in this computer and communication how it is possible. So again conclude the today's session. In the today's session we just discussed different types of the LAN cable and what is the specification of this LAN cable. You can use any types of LAN cable, but internet speed depend on the LAN cable. So if you have a more than 10 MB, 20 Mbps speed, so never use the Cat5 cable, always use Cat6 cable. If you have more than 100 Mbps speed, so Cat7 cable. So depend on the requirement of the internet speed, you can use just that like of the LAN cable. Okay. And another thing, if devices are similar, so how to connect it? They are different, similar devices, all crossover LAN cable, and different devices straight over LAN cable. And one more cable is the console, BGA, and rollover. This cable is used for the only for the display purpose, configuration purpose. So tomorrow again in the session, just allotment of IP and working, how to work this network within the campus. Any questions? Any doubt? Yes. BGA the BGA adapter, na? BGA cable. Visual graphics adapter, na? This is a BGA cable from your computer, CPU computer to the desktop computer monitor. So this is a BGA cable. Again here. Yes, Australia. BGA cable. Are you known as a desktop computer? Okay. So same cable. All cable are the same due to the connector, due to the their uses, their name will be changed. Okay. So tomorrow we just discuss about allotment of IP in this computer. So request to all of you, kindly make these connections and prepare ready and go more and more at tomorrow. And day after tomorrow is the final network portion is over. So 2 days for the network, then we go for the security. Okay. So first in the campus, we just make a design. So now I saving this project for all of you tomorrow. Any more question you can ask, otherwise leave today. Okay, thank you.